to the third level of our elevator mockup. It has just been a short time since the last level update which I put out, but yeah, I sort of expedited it, and yeah, we're ready with the next level, which was, as I said in the last one, basically just integrating the sound visual keypad with the stepper motor that we tested last time with the whole belt pulley system. So yeah, the code is updated fully. Whatever was needed was added, and yeah, the old code was retained. And let's just go to the markup. I won't waste too much time on the code. So yeah, here's the markup, same as last time. We have the cardboard sort of sculpture of it. We have the belt pulley, and yeah, the carriage, and the stepper motor is there. And yeah, there's the Arduino, and all of the pins are attached. We are using almost all of the digital pins, and even one of the analog pins. And the keypad is there, which is needed for our floor choosing. There's the DF player along with the speaker to announce for the announcements of the floor. And there's the stepper motor driver A4988. And yeah, there's the LCD which shows the floor. And another thing which I added was, as I said last time, was we need a limit switch, basically, uh, to make sure that it doesn't overshoot and try to go below this level. So yeah, I've added a IR sensor for that, basically a obstacle detection one. So if I just try to show you here right now, the carriage is just beside it, so it's both of the LEDs are on. One of them is a power LED, the other one is the obstacle detection LED. So right now if I just move this to one side, you'll see that yeah, it's working properly. I've adjusted the pot such that only when the carriage is directly beside it, it gives a proper output. And yeah, which is going to be testing same as before, 3 floors. And you can see that now the voice also will be added along with the actual movement of our lift. So yeah, let's start. I'll just switch the view, and yeah, you can see that's the whole setup. Yeah, there's a lot of wires here, but yeah, excusing that, we're on ground floor, right? So let's try and go to second floor. Here I'll press 2. Going up. Second floor. Yeah, you heard that, the second floor, and yeah, it shows it here as well. And now let's try and go down. Let's go to the ground floor. So I'll press 0 here. Going down. Ground floor. Yeah, so it reached ground floor, and yeah, it's working perfectly, same as before, and the sounds are also coming. And the limit switch, to just demonstrate how important it is, what I'll do is, the whole point was, in the start, the lift may not always be at ground, right? But the controller will assume that it's at ground, and it will show here floor 0, but it might actually be at second floor, and then it can mess up your whole logic. So we need a sort of homing logic, as they call it, to return to ground. So that's what is exactly implemented with this IR sensor. So what I'll do now is, let's take it all the way up to third floor, and we'll switch off the Arduino, and let's see what happens. Going up. Third floor. Yeah, now that it's at third floor, let's just instead of unplugging it, let's just reset the Arduino. There's a small reset button here which will basically just run the entire code again, and we'll see how it homes back to ground. So I'll just press that. You can see the LCD turned off, and it's now saying homing to ground, and by itself it's coming down. And you will see that this limit switch, only one LED is on right now. It will basically turn. Just see it. Yeah, you can see exactly it stopped when it reached the ground. It's level with the one which we have set, and now it says properly current floor ground. So that's exactly what we wanted. Now you can resume your normal lift operation and do whatever you want. But yeah, that was the critical part which was left, the homing logic. So yeah, that's been added, and yeah, that's the progress as of now. Almost you could say like 85% done. One thing is left though. I have to add the emergency logic, like the sensing. In case the power supply is gone, it needs to switch to the battery backup. So that's the only thing which is left, and we'll probably implement that in the next few days. And yeah, say goodbye to this project, which is very nice. It was combining a lot of actuators and yeah, displays and everything. And the motion is good, stepper. So yeah, let's see you on the next level where we implement the emergency logic. Thank you.